balls are transformed into eye-catching patterns through water-dipping technology, bringing new life and excitement to every match. Lone farmer charged into the raging fire, his tractor roaring as he tried to carve out an escape route. Black smoke filled the sky, red flames engulfed the golden rice fields, but he fought on, not retreating. Recycling barrels become seamless with a giant shredder, turning them into reusable metal and giving new life to valuable resources. Oh, a giant machine is powerfully using its iron arms to dig through the hard rock and soil, overcoming all the thick tree roots as if nothing could stop it. With this spray gun in hand, farmers will no longer worry about drought. Water will irrigate every field. Corn is ground together with leaves, instantly transformed into fragrant pellets, ready to enjoy immediately. This self-driving snowblower can clear 10 kilometers of snow in an hour. Can you guess who the mastermind behind it is? The hay bales are pressed into perfect rectangles. They look so good you want to touch them. Spray racing is the ultimate solution for animals, creating continuous tunnels that allow them to move freely, reduce stress, control pests better, and save effort. After this diamond frame was processed, the whole field was completely transformed, so beautiful that no one could recognize it anymore. With this drill in hand, you will be able to plant 100 trees in the blink of an eye, quickly and with great excitement. Even though it looks like a car wash brush, this item is great for apple picking. You can't help but love it. These machines create the perfect garden, making every corner fresh and charming like a living painting. This is an authentic Tetris game, made entirely of hay, offering a fun and unique experience you've never seen before. With just a large machine gliding lightly on the wet cement surface, the street suddenly becomes smooth and perfect, like a work of art in the heart of the city. Witness the powerful fire sprayer sweep the field clean, destroying weeds and pests in an instant, bringing a new crop, clean and full of hope. Powerful excavator breaks down the wall, clean and fast as lightning. Concrete blocks are produced at lightning speed and are light as wind thanks to a modern production system. The thrilling conveyor belt journey of the watermelon's last glorious moments before reaching your dining table. These disco rakes drew me into a world of enchantment, seemingly impossible to escape. Who would have thought I would be so captivated? This tractor has a unique pair of wheels born to conquer every high drawing perfectly. Molten plastic is poured into the mold, transforming into a water bottle before your eyes. Magical and mesmerizing. This machine can milk 2,000 goats per hour, and the goats quickly line themselves up. Impressive speed and efficiency. The square wooden columns quickly transform into perfect circles. A fascinating and precise process. Efficient aerial irrigation ensures that even the most unusual, hard-to-reach fields receive enough water. Convenient and awesome. Look at this interesting, unique rice. Parallel rotating discs lift the grain and transport it away instantly. Wooden spoons have the perfect concave shape thanks to a special carving tool. Tractor attachment with rotating spike chain for effective topsoil loosening. With this device, just 2 people can harvest more than 300 kilograms of fruit at a time. Amazing efficiency. The ladle is forged under the powerful blows of the factory shaping tools. Strong and perfect. The sharp kernels are meticulously sorted on a conveyor belt and approved by a small spring mechanism. Who knew shelling corn could be so easy? Even making your favorite corn puffs has never been easier. The unique combination of dustpan and squeegee quickly sweeps away every drop of water on the tile surface, leaving it perfectly clean and dry. Right now, the harvester is diligently collecting thousands of pumpkins, preparing for the Halloween season. Each pumpkin is ready for everyone to choose, bringing a joyful and excited atmosphere to the festival. They tackled the broken pump with large nails, while the excavator continued to work tirelessly to treat the water. A decisive solution. The machine with 2 counter-rotating screws helps farmers harvest corn quickly and easily, with surprisingly superior efficiency. On this small farm, every process is fully automated. Just watch and see the miracle growing every day. They work lightly, carelessly throwing empty bottles behind them, letting everything pass by like the wind. The saw blade vibrates evenly, cutting through cement smoothly and surprisingly cleanly. The machine glides through, not missing a single apple, harvesting every branch cleanly. Boxes and goods are automatically strapped by the machine, ensuring safe, efficient, and reliable packaging on every trip. This mobile factory can process up to 70 tons of lettuce per hour. Amazing performance. This 255-centimeter shovel makes uprooting a large tree a matter of seconds. Surprisingly powerful and fast. Metal cookie cutter, sharp blade. Quickly cut each perfect cookie. These robots are perfectly synchronized and irresistibly cute. Perfectly synchronized robots, irresistibly cute. It looks like a new invention, but this water pumping device has been around since 234 BC. This state-of-the-art robotic system works great under high pressure, evaluating the quality and ripeness of fruits and vegetables is now easier and more accurate than ever. The automatic vegetable dicer makes kitchen work easy and quick. With just one compact machine, transporting and stacking hay bales becomes light and efficient. The excess in wrench production is quickly eliminated, resulting in an optimal finished product. This drill only needs one pass to create the perfect trench, whether it's swampy or icy. Old clothes blender in seconds, the ultimate solution, replacing time-consuming manual folding. Automatic tiller, an indispensable companion of every farmer. The rotating wheel makes removing bolts easy and quick, saving effort. The Christmas tree is carefully packaged, keeping each branch intact, ensuring perfect beauty when it reaches you. The blade spins rapidly, turning the potato into a beautiful seamless spiral. Water scoop accessory from Dirty Pond. Cleanly remove algae and debris. Bring clean water. This device starts the chain creation process, precise and efficient from the first step. This machine cuts the dough into small squares, creating each piece of enchanting pastry.